Hi everyone, Peg here, and today I am working on a project in my little faux Midori journal that I created for my year. And I'm working with GinaBAhrens because this is also a project for her design team for the month. If you guys are not familiar with Gina, be sure and check her out. She has wonderful art in her Etsy store, and right now she's offering a savings on her original artwork, 40% off. I'm hoping that's still going on when this goes live. And also, if you use my links, or if you use the discount code of PEG15, you will get a 15% off on anything that you're buying in the store. So check it out. You might get some real cool deals. Gina just recently shared with me some of the new stickers that she was adding to the store, and I gotta say they're pretty cool. So what am I doing here? Well, I'm just adding, this is some painted tissue paper that I had done when I was jelly printing, and just putting that down for a background on my page. These pages, because of the type of journal it is, are really flimsy, and I like adding paper to them to give them a little more strength and durability. I'm also going to grab some of Gina's stamps. She has wonderful red rubber stamps, and I'm just going to use those stamps to add a little more texture to this background piece before I do more. Now, the prompt that Gina had given us for the challenge this month was portion, section, I can't remember what the third one was now, but anyway, it had to do with segments. That's what it was, segments. And when I think about a journal page or putting things together in a piece of art, it is all about sections and layering and, additions to things. So, that's what I'm doing when I create. I will use a portion of something. Here's a portion of a piece of paper, or a section of journaling, or, it's just all about sections and portions and, yeah, layering up to create that page. So that's kind of what I was thinking about when I started putting these pieces together. This is just another piece of paper that I had run through the Xyron, and I'm just going to add some cool pieces that I'd gotten in Happy Mail and call this page done. So pretty soon you're going to see me moving on to the blank page next to this one. Printed some stickers, and she also sent me some other Happy Mail things that I'm going to use in this piece of art. So this is going to end up being a double page spread. I didn't think I was going to go that far with this when I first started out, but as you play with all of those things and you look at things and the composition on your page, it speaks to you and it tells you what you want to do. And once I get this piece constructed, or glued down to the page, I started looking at the blank page next to it and decided I need to do something with that. So I wanted to add a little bit more textural and, different things to the background. So I want to finish out framing it. That's also one of the sections that's part of the page, is the frame. And I want to get some paint markers and just add a little bit of textural elements with the paint markers. These happen to be some Liquitex paint markers that I gotten on sale recently, and I have to say I really love them. And you know, putting a little bit of color to emphasize the pieces that are on the page, adding a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and those are all portions or sections of a journal page. So now I'm getting some other pieces of paper and moving on to that second page. I've just run strips of paper through the Xyron and am gluing those down as if it were washi tape, and you know, just adding some color, some textural elements, that portion of the page that is the background. Now I have some digital print-offs from Gina. She has wonderful artwork that she has provided digitally for a nominal fee on her Etsy store, and I love this one of the girl, and so I'm going to use that in my artwork because she's speaking to me and she has something to say. So I'm going to use a couple of these stickers and put them down on my page. The colors work really well with the background that I've chosen, and I want to incorporate this into my page. And then I'm going to grab some markers, and I'm going to put my title on this because I think she has something to say. I will use a couple of other stickers from Gina's store about being unique and be radiant, because I truly believe that we should be our own person. And then the quote that I'm using is from 1 Peter, and it says, "Be known for the beauty that comes from within." And how true is that? We need to be beautiful inside and out, and I think that this picture is radiating that beauty and depicting what Peter is trying to say. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Be sure and check out Gina's store. I know you'll enjoy perusing the products that are there. And if you're not a subscriber and you would like to, be sure and click the subscribe below and give me a thumbs up and share, and also click the bell for notifications so that you get notifications every time a new video comes out. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you spending your time with me today. And remember, you make a difference. Bye for now.